Green hydrogen is really important for the energy transition. As we move away from hydrocarbons, looking towards renewable and more sustainable fuel sources is critically important. And hydrogen, it really offers us that opportunity because it doesn't rely on hydrocarbons, it doesn't contribute to greenhouse gases. One of the challenges with working with green hydrogen is ensuring that you have the right water quality going into the electrolyzer. So any kind of contamination can actually damage the electrolyzer. It can lead to a loss in production because these are using very thin membranes. So they need ultra pure water. So one of the things that we can help with is use a conductivity type of measurement in order to detect any contamination. And then if there is contamination of the water can then be recycled back through the filtration process, thus preventing any kind of downstream damage to the electrolyzer. Another challenge related to green hydrogen production is water flow measurement. If you have insufficient water going to the electrolyzer, that can actually overheat the electrolyzer, which can create a dangerous condition that could lead to a potential fire. Many customers actually treat the water flow measurement as a safety loop, and they want SIL-rated devices to make sure that they're never going to lose, water flow. And one way that we can help do that is using a dual vortex meter. And a dual vortex meter actually provides you redundant measurement, so you have a backup in case one of the measurement fails. In addition to that, we also use our differential pressure devices, which also come with SIL certification to ensure that the water flow is not interrupted. The nice advantage of the conditioning orifice plate that we can use for water flow measurement is it does not require a lot of upstream or downstream space. And a lot of times these electrolyzers are manufactured in modules, so things need to be nice and compact. So this can really help you with the different technologies. We can pick which makes the most sense depending on the need of the customer. Once you've actually produced all this hydrogen, it's also very important that it's accounted for. You need to be paid for the hydrogen that's produced, and you need to ensure that that hydrogen actually meets the quality that you've agreed to in your contract. And two ways of doing that, Coriolis meters are very good for measuring hydrogen. They're highly accurate. They've been used in hydrogen service for many, many years and are the most accurate technology to ensure that you're getting paid for all the hydrogen that you produce. The other thing you need to do is actually ensure that you have good quality. And that's where our process gas analyzers can come into play, and they will check the hydrogen purity level to make sure it meets the contractual obligations that you've agreed to with your buyer of the hydrogen.